How to insert custom bullet points in Microsoft Word document. So we can see we have this list to add custom bullet points. Select it now in the paragraph section in the home tab. Click this drop down and define new bullet. To select custom bullet, you can select any type of symbol. Click on OK. Again, click on OK. Also, you can use your own picture as a bullet points. So again, click here, define new bullet, picture, select online or offline, your own, then click on OK. To change bullet points color, select, click on any bullet and here you can change the color. So these are way to add and to customize bullet points in Microsoft Word document.